Hello guys, what's up? And today's back in for another one, guys. And today, guess what? It's another bot development tutorial. Now, today we will be adding features like a config file, a purge command, and a custom game to the Discord bot. Now, by game, I mean what shows right here. Now, it can show that I'm playing Adam because I have my Adam game developer thing on. I don't even know what I'm saying anymore. Now, first, let's jump right into it. So first off, we're going to need to create a config.json file inside of our storage folder. Now, we actually do not have a storage folder, so let's go ahead and make that now. You're going to right-click, click New Folder, and you just type in storage, press Enter, and you can see now that we have a storage folder. Now, you're going to click New File and create a config.json file. Now, inside of this, we are going to type things that we would like to have in our config. Now, I'm going to add something like a token, and then we can put our token in here. I'm going to copy this, and then right over here. Okay, so we can put our token right there. We can put our server name. Now, who knows what we'll use this for, but whatever. And then we can add a default prefix for future use. Now we're going to be making the prefix command in the future, which is why I'm adding this now. So once we have this, we're going to save it. There we go. And then we're going to close that. Now that we've made our config.json file, we're going to need to import them. Now up here, you're just going to type constant config equals require dot slash storage slash config dot json. Save it. I save so much, guys. It just makes your life so much easier because sometimes it does randomly crash, and it just makes life a lot easier because now you don't have to worry about it breaking. Now, where we have our prefix right here, we can actually just change this now to config.prefix, or no, default prefix, sorry. And then we can do constant token equals config.token. Why is this on token? No. And then constant server name equals config.server name. Alright. Now that we've done this, let me add that. Alright. Now that we have this, we have successfully imported all of our values. And so basically what this is doing is it's grabbing the values that we're asking it to, like token, default prefix, and server name from our config.json file. So now that we have done this, let's put it to work. So where it says prefix, we already have this here. Now it says console.log on ready. Now what we can actually do now is we can use Graves, so we can incorporate prefixes inside of here, or variables in here. So we can do server name, or no, let's put this here. I have successfully logged into, and then it'll put the server name. And then I think that's really all we used so far. Yeah. Oh wait, no, and right here we can put in token. Here we go. And there we go. Now that we have this, we are going to make our life easier by putting all of our commands into something, or into functions, so that if we want to edit it, we can just go there instead of trying to scroll through all of our message event and just everything just gets all messy. So, and what we can put here is we can just type prefix, ping. Yeah, ping. So let's go ahead and do that now. Right here, we're going to type command functions. Let's do this little organization over here. Alright, so we're gonna make a purge command now. If I forgot to say that already, I'm sorry, but yeah, we're gonna be making a purge command for now. So we're gonna type function purge command, and we are going to need the values message, admin role, prefix, and args. Now, don't worry about this right now. I will show you guys what we're going to do with that later. So, we're going to type in async function purge, and then this is what we're going to do. Let amount equal parse int args dot substring 6, and there we go. That is done. Now the amount basically is the amount of messages you want it to clear. Now what this is doing is it's taking the purge, the string purge, and then the space. This is 6 characters right here, so we're taking off all those 6 characters. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna make sure that this is definitely like defined. So we're gonna do if amount equals undefined, then we're gonna run this. So that's basically if you just say purge, then it's gonna make sure that it doesn't run the command, it doesn't break everything. So we're gonna do message channel.send, and then we're gonna use Grave. Now I use Graves a lot because you don't have to do pluses or anything, and it makes your code look a lot better. Now what I'm doing right now is I'm adding an error message. Oops. Please specify a number. Yes, okay. So I'm basically adding an error message so that whenever they just send that normal thing like I showed you, then it's not gonna run anything. So we're gonna say proper usage, and we're gonna show them the proper usage of the command. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna add a backslash and then that, so it doesn't think that we're adding in a new string. And then we're just gonna do prefix. Prefix purge amount. There we go. Add that, and then return. Alright, so there. Also, guys, I'm sorry if I'm being a little bit slow or confused this time. I tried making the video seem a lot smoother by making a script, and yeah, that's basically how this is working. So now what we're going to do is we're going to do admin if they do not have admin role. So now what we're doing is, what did I do wrong? Here we go. Now, sorry about that. So what we're going to do now is we're going to make sure that the person who's running the command has permissions here. So we're going to do message.member.roles.has admin role.id. And then, so if they do not have admin role, then we're going to do message.chan. You know what? This would be a lot easier to just copy this. And then you do not have permission to send prefix purge amount. So basically, if they do not have permission, then we're going to say you do not have permissions to run this command. So yeah. Now we can actually get into... Never mind, we actually cannot. We have to make sure that it's a valid number and it's not a string. So we're just going to do is not a number amount. Then we're going to send an error message. Please specify number. Actually, I think as your args. And then we're going to put int amount. There we go. That might help clear things up. You know, I'm going to add that right here as well. And right here. That's just to make sure that they know that it has to be an integer. Return. Alright. So, finally, now that we have this, we can actually get into making it. So we're going to do if amount is less than... sorry guys. I am messing up a lot right now. So, no, we did it. No, I was thinking about it. Okay, I need to chill. Hang on, let me get a drink of water. All right. Let's do this. So if amount is greater than 10 and amount is greater than 0, then amount equals 10. So this is basically limiting it to only 10 so that it can only clear 10 messages at a time. So we don't want somebody clearing the whole chat log because that could be destroying evidence or something. But yeah, so now what we're going to do is we're going to do constant fetched equals await message dot channel dot fetch messages limit parse int amount plus 1. Okay, and then we're going to do console.log fetched.size plus messages found deleting ... Alright, so basically what this is doing is it's grabbing the messages. So it's taking the integer and then it's going to find that many messages, and then it's just saying in the console, okay, we found this many, blah blah blah, deleting them. And then now we're gonna actually delete the messages. So we're gonna do message.channel.bulk delete fetched dot catch error error, yeah, oops, error, message dot channel dot send error, oops, sorry about that. Really don't know what I'm doing. Or it may look like I don't know what I'm doing, but trust me, I know what I'm doing. I'm just like kind of tired right now, but you know, I got to get this video out, so it's for you guys. All right, so what this is doing is it's deleting the message that we found, and then it is, if there's an error, then it's gonna send the error in the chat. Okay. Now we're going to confirm to the person that we have deleted the messages. So we're just going to do message.channel.send waste basket. Now what this is it's the garbage can emoji. I have deleted, and then we're just going to take the amount messages for you. And then we can go out of this, the async function purge function, and just run it. So now our purge command should be set up. So let's go ahead and test this real quick. Actually, I forgot to start our bot, so we're going to do node index.js. And now we can test our config file and the other thing. Alright, so you can see it says I've successfully logged into the tutorial server. You can see our bot's online. So let's go ahead and test our purge command. Alright guys, so basically what happened here was I forgot to actually register the command and make the bot check to make sure that we were running the command. So there's nothing actually checking for the command, and that's what was wrong. And also, if you guys haven't realized, this is a voiceover. I was actually getting really mad because I thought I was going to have to cancel the whole video. But let me go ahead and use the power of editing to skip you to where I'll fix this problem. You know what, guys? I'm actually pretty dumb. I figured out what the problem was. And the problem is that it was just... This is my fault, guys. I forgot to add it into the message thing. The message event. So it didn't even like register that it was a command. So let's go ahead and add the right variables so that when we run purge, it will run correctly and everything. So we are going to do var args equals message dot content dot subs dot to lowercase dot substring. Then we're gonna do prefix dot length plus yeah, that's it. Sorry. Okay, so that's gonna be the arguments, and then let admin role equals message dot guild dot find dot role dot find there we go. Roles dot find, and then we're gonna do name, and then this is what we want it to search for. So we're gonna do bot admin. So if we're gonna search for bot admin, and if they can't find it, then it's not gonna do anything. But yeah. So now that we have this, let's actually redo how this command looks. So we can just make it do if args equals ping. Yeah. If args equals ping, then do this. Else, if args dot starts with, if it starts with purge, then it's going to run this command right here. Then we're going to do purge command, and we're just gonna copy these right here. Right here, and then prefix is actually gonna be in all caps. Prefix, and then you can see admin role goes here, args goes here, the message is obviously this right here, and then prefix is right here. So that's basically what's gonna happen. Now we can restart our bot. Sorry for my stupid mistake there, but so here we go. I forgot to delete the extra parenthesis. Well, that was a simple mistake. See, guys, this literally the smallest mistake could make your whole code go wrong. So it'll say we have successfully logged in, and then we can do purge 2. See if we got an error. Oh no, it worked. Perfect. And then it'll say 3 messages found, because what we did is it's gonna delete the message that you sent as well. So if we do 1, 2, 3, and then we do purge 3. Oh gosh. What'd I do? So for some reason, if I'm not like, oh gosh, sorry for that. Purge 1. If you see, it will work for 1, but basically what it's doing is so whenever we send a message, pretend this is a command, it's deleting this plus how many messages, because sometimes it's weird and it doesn't delete this message, so it actually deletes 1 less than you want. So, sorry for drawing this out so much. It's a long tutorial. Hopefully I should be able to speed this up a bit for you guys, because it's kind of long. But we are now going to make a custom game, as I said. So let's go ahead and do this. Now, the custom game, as I explained, was, yeah, it was the game that shows up, or the message that shows up, playing, and then whatever you want it to do. On, oh wait, we already have it on ready, don't we? Yeah, we do. Okay, that's what I thought. So on ready, what we're going to do is we are going to bot.user, or no, sorry, we're actually using client. On my other one, it is bot, so I just automatically say bot. Client.user.set presence game name, and then we can just do this whatever, a tutorial series, and then comma type 0, and then right here we can set the status, so it's client.user.set status. Now let's I want mine to be idle, so you're just gonna do idle. I think that's what it is. There's online, idle, DND, and invisible. I'm pretty sure. You might want to go check discord.js.org on that, because I'm not exactly sure, but I'm pretty sure it'll work. So now that we've done this, let's go ahead and restart our bot. Wait for it to load, and you guys will see it is playing a tutorial series. Now, I was obviously wrong on that because it still says it's online, but it's fine. So guys, I'm sorry for being so confused so much and just me not talking right at all. But that's gonna be our bot. And so now we have a working config file, a purge command, and a custom game. So hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and stay tuned for the next tutorial on Monday. And once again, I'm sorry for like messing up my speech. Like I can't English good today. So hopefully I was able to speed this up. Sorry for it being so long, but anyways, I'll see you guys next time.